Hi kids. Kids, we need to solve this puzzle of ABCD, and also we are going to learn ABCD and English alphabet and numbers by solving these puzzles. So let's start kids. This is space for the first letter, and that is A. Can you see A here? Yes, this is A. A is in green color. Let's put it here. This is B. This is B. B is in yellow color. Let's put it here. Now find the C. Can you see? Can you see the C? Wow. This is C. So put C here. Now this is space for D. Where is D? Where is D? Oh, this is not D. Can you see D? Can you see the D? Kids, wow, this is D. This is blue color. Now find the E. Where is E? Here is E. E is in yellow color. Now find the F. This is F. F is in blue color. This is space for G. Here is G. G is in green color. This is H. Where is H? This is H. H is in yellow color. Now find the I. Where is I? Can you see I here, kids? Yes, this is I. I is in blue color. Now see, this is space for I, J. Where is J? Kids? Yes, this is J. No, this is L. This is J. This is J, kids. J. J is in green color. K. Where is K? This is K, right? K. K is in red color. This is space for L. Yes, this is L. L is in yellow color. M. This is M. M is in green color. N. Where is N? Where is N? Yes, this is N. N. Blue color. O. P. Where is P? Find the P. Yes, this is P. P is in red color. Q. Where is Q? Can you find the Q here? Yes, this is Q. Blue color. No, yellow color. R. This is R. R is in green color. S. This is S. S is in blue color. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Where is Y? This is Y. Y is in green color. Z. Where is Z? Z. Red color. 1. Wow, kids, we have solved ABCD puzzle. We have arranged all the letters in proper manner. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow. Now let's arrange numbers. 1. This is 2. Where is 2? Yes. This is 2. Red color. 3. 4. 5. Where is 5? This is 5. Yellow color. 6. Where is 6? This is 6. Red color. 7. Green color. 8. Blue color. 9 and 0. Wow. Kids, clap. We have just solved this puzzle and arranged all the letters and numbers in proper manner.